So it's Memorial Day here in the Secret Garden of Survival, and we got our guardian livestock Australian Shepherds and two youngest boys, and I call this installment Cooking with Goats. Not cooking goats, but we've got some grill going on here, and these are actually not hamburger patties, they're actually bratwurst patties. So we're going to see how these guys come out. I just cooked 12 Italian sausages here, so I figured the grill was hot, might as well cook these up too, and then we can microwave them when we need to eat them. So we'll wait a little while and I'll show you how they look. While we're waiting, we got apples on the apple tree, little apple tree right there, and then we got all kinds of peaches on that peach tree. I think it's just loaded with peaches, completely loaded. And then right to the left here, we've also got the white flowers are actually elderberries, so that's a elderberry bush. And in here we've got our we get some mountain mint, which is a great pollinator attractor and predatory wasp attractor, and then we've got some catnip and some regular mint over there, another blueberry, and we have our ducks over there. So anyway, we'll check on the grill in a little while. I'm being eaten alive here by mosquitoes, not bugs, but by goats, baby goats that are eating me alive. Rudy kind of looks like Purple Rain here, because he's got some antiseptic spray on purple stuff. But that's to keep the flies off and to keep from infection setting in, so that he won't have any issues. And Jethro is grooming himself, explicitly so. And Rudy, stop chewing on my stuff, boy, right now. Okay, we're gonna check on the grill. Well, it started to rain out here, and that's Jethro. That's Jethro. Starting to rain, but looks like these guys are looking pretty good here. Oh, look pretty good. Look pretty good. Getting there. They actually have, I think, cheese, cheddar cheese, and jalapeno peppers in them too. So we'll see how they go. But I think they're just about done, and as soon as the rain lets up, it'll be time to go in.